Hello! So I got chosen to do another influencer box. This one is from the Crest 3D Whitestrips, and they called it the Premium Oral Aesthetics Vox box, I think. So, and it's from Crest Whitestrips, which I'm excited about because I want to whiten my teeth further. And so here's a little card that came in it. It's from Crest, and it just tells you that it can remove over 10 years of set and stains from drinking pop and eating food like blueberry pie and things like that. And it also says that if you're not actively whitening your smile, you're yellowing it. So I want to do this anyways. This is really cool because it came just in time. It says this with advanced seal no-slip technology. Now I tried these Crest strips before. They weren't the 3D white. They were regular Crest strips. And I put them on and then they kind of slid down. And then there's like saliva everywhere. It was very gross. So I already signed in my Vox box, and the instructions say to put them on your teeth, not directly on freshly brushed teeth. So I brushed my teeth about 2 hours ago when I was in the shower, so I want to show you guys how to use them because I thought that would be a useful video. So we're supposed to peel them and remove the little sticky things and then apply the lower strip first, and make sure you put the gel side of the strip on front of your teeth. Make sure it's aligned with your gum line. And press with finger pads for 2 to 3 seconds on front and side of teeth. Fold over teeth. And for products with advanced seal technology, press gently with finger pads for 2 to 3 seconds. So we're just going to put them on and then wear for the recommended time. My recommended time is 30 minutes every day for 20 days. And there was on the instructions it said that if you want to have faster results, you can wear them twice a day. I don't think I'll do that, only because my teeth are kind of sensitive sometimes, and I remember the last time I whitened my teeth were sensitive for a few days afterwards, so I don't want to do that. Each little seal packet comes with 2 strips. It comes with an upper and a lower so that you can do top and bottom teeth, obviously. And so you rip the little top off, which I've already done, and then inside is a plastic film like this, and you can see the 2 little strippies on there. So we're going to peel it off. And I have a mirror down here, so that's, oh, we're going to do the lower one first, it said. If I can get it. Okay. So here it is. The sticky side is the gel side. So let's see. I'm going to look really sexy right now, so. Oh. Okay. Okay. And then you want to try to get it kind of in the grooves of your teeth because, I'm going to talk a little weird, try to get in the grooves of your teeth because you don't want this the front side to be, you know, whatever. So I'm just running my fingernail. I'm running my fingernail between my teeth and the edge parts. Okay. Okay, it feels pretty good. Pretty good on there, and I mean, I don't feel like I'm talking very strangely. Let's do the top one. And I can already feel my saliva trying to attack it, especially in the back. So, I think I might need to practice this. Oh, baloney. What did I do? Oh, I'm trying to peel off the wrong side. Duh. Duh. Okay, now we're going to do the front side. Okay, I'm just... I know, I look really sexy, so I'm gonna push it in a groove. Yeah. Okay. There it is. So I got them on. See, I wouldn't wear these outside. I've seen some people do the reviews and they're like, oh, I wear them outside. I'm not going to. That's weird. So you leave it on for 30 minutes and then you put them back, you take them off, and what do you do after that? Please hold while I read some more instructions. Oh, you just take them off. That's it. I guess you don't have to rinse. I probably will rinse because a little bit of this stuff got in my mouth because I don't think I pressed hard enough back here. And saliva has penetrated the seal. So I'll be back in like 30 minutes and then I'll let you know. You see it? It's getting white. Okay, so I'm back. It's been 30 minutes and I went in the bathroom and I peeled off the strips and rinsed my mouth out because obviously there was some product on there and I think it's like peroxide or something. So here's my teeth. They don't look whiter. They look brighter, but not whiter. Like I compared my front teeth to teeth like back here, and you see they're not whiter, but they look brighter. Does that make sense? So obviously it's working because it's probably lifted up some. I used to smoke cigarettes, which is a disgusting, horrible, disgusting, very unhealthy habit. Your breath always stinks and it causes a lot of tooth problems and stuff, especially staining. So I actually did bleach my teeth after I quit smoking it's been almost a year, probably about 8 months that I quit smoking now. Yay for me. Ooh, ooh. So yeah, I made that noise. Deal with that. So I did have some staining and my teeth were pretty ugly looking. I did not notice how disgusting they were until I started bleaching my teeth, and then I compared them to my back teeth, which I also ended up whitening because I was like, that is nasty. When you see how disgusting your teeth look after you quit smoking, and you can smell good stuff again. I'm like feeling this little jacket. My mom bought me this jacket, and I like it. So anyways, yeah, totally off topic. Sorry, Crest. Yeah, but so after I was done, after my time was up and then I waited the full 30 minutes, I just went in and I peeled them off and they're stuck on there, okay? So you have to, it doesn't hurt, but you can feel it like if you were pulling tape off your skin, that's how it feels like on your teeth. So they stayed. Now, initially when I put them on, my bottom one in the back, I didn't secure it down properly, so that was my fault, user error. But then I just lifted it up and I kind of, aired my teeth so there wasn't any saliva on them, and I pressed it back down, and then it stuck. And for the full 30 minutes, I was able to talk, walk around. Now, saliva does collect inside the strip, but it's not so much that you're like drooling or you feel like you have to spit or anything like that. And I didn't taste the peroxide in my mouth, which is good because I would have taken them off if that would have happened. So I did have a good experience with them. My teeth don't feel sensitive. What I do notice, obviously more, and I'm sure it'll get worse as I keep whitening my teeth, but I have a white spot on my tooth. Like, I don't know if I can show you. My camera's not going to focus on it, but I think it's on this tooth. Like, a white spot. Now, I never noticed it before when I was smoking because I was smoking, so my teeth were really stained. And no, they weren't like slow traffic yellow or anything like that, but they were clearly not as white and bright as they could be. And so when I started whitening, and this is a problem that a lot of people notice, that there are some white spots on your teeth. Now, some of the white spots are going to be temporary, and some of them are permanent because that's your natural tooth flaw. I think it has something to do with calcium. I don't know if it's a deficiency or you overconsumed calcium or something like that, but I think that's what it was that I read a long time ago about the spot on your tooth. If you notice that you have a whiter, brighter spot, it doesn't mean that that's the shade that your tooth should actually be. That's actually a deficiency or something like that. I can't remember, and if I can, then I'll let you know. But anyways, Crest does point out on their little pamphlet that they give you that you could experience some of that. And what it says is it safe for my tooth enamel? Yes. Sometimes I see white spots on my teeth after I remove a strip. Will they go away? And it says, yes, you may see white spots on your teeth after whitening. It is normal. Sometimes it is due to the whitening action of the strip. These strip spots are temporary and will go away with time. And sometimes white spots are due to the natural imperfections in teeth, which can become more visible with whitening, like I said before. So, obviously, yes. If you have trouble removing them, it says, hang on. Yeah, I don't even know why they had to tell somebody to pull it off from the back. That is what would make more sense to me, because that's where it's going to be loosest, is in the back, around your teeth and your mouth. So what I did was I just stuck my pinky in there like this, and then I, you know, kind of flicked up the tab and pulled it out of my mouth. It's really not that difficult, but it is, it's on there. Okay, so, but yeah, so that's the video. I like it so far, and the user tip I would give you, obviously, is to kind of make sure that your mouth is a little dry. If you like, air your mouth out, and when you're putting it on, to press into the crevices of your teeth, so you're not just getting the front, you want to get the sides of your teeth too. And if you're like me and you have some imperfect teeth, like this one's a little pushed back, this one's completely sideways, and then this tooth over here is a little like kind of crooked too. So if you have imperfect teeth, it's better to apply the teeth from the strip from one end, and kind of press into each tooth nook and around your unique shape of mouth, and do that. This does not work on veneers or any kind of dental work like that. So if you have veneers or some kind of dental work that you're trying to whiten, like say you had a cavity here and they shaved it off and put a porcelain over it, it's not going to work on that. You have to go to your dentist for that. So obviously I recommend whitening for anybody who has ugly yellow teeth, because that's not cute. But if you can't afford whitening stuff at the dentist, these kinds of products are really good for you. I'm not sure what this retails for. I will check for you, and I'll post it down in the description box what it retails for. I know they sell it at Walmart and at some of the drugstores like that. So, ta-da! Here's to a whiter, brighter smile.